morning, teacher.
How are you today?
I am okay. And you?
Fine, thank you. Before starting our lesson, I gave you smiles. So, according to those smiles, please make a group. Sit in a group. Make a Sit in a group of 3. Okay, sit down. Sit down. Do you have homework? Yes. Okay, what's your homework today?
Homework is writing information about Kazakh films.
Write information about Kazakh films. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. For checking the homework, before starting our lesson, I have assessment sheets for today's lesson. Okay. Here you can find all the tasks that we are going to do today, and you have to assess yourselves up to 10 stars. Okay, assess here yourselves for each task, and you can find descriptors also. So, take one and give to others. Take one, give to others. It's for you. One sheet of paper for each. Okay. Is it enough? Farhat, do you have? Okay, this is for you. Take one and give to others. It's enough. Okay. Now, for checking the homework, I need one student to come to the board and stand back to students. Who wants to come? We are going to play the game. Farhat, come. Come and stand back to the board. You have to ask questions from the students and find out what the film is hidden back to you. Okay? Okay. Ask questions.
Who is the main character? What's the genre of the film?
Historical.
It is twist.
Yes. Of course. Sit down. Who wants to come next? Come, Madina. Come and stand back to this or to board. Okay.
Is it fantastic or comedy?
Comedy.
Who is director of the film? The main characters in the film. It is business по-казахски.
Yes. Okay. Next. Oh, sorry. Next. Who wants to come? Can I come?
What about this film?
About mother's love.
Mother's Love?
Yeah.
Who are main characters? Excuse me.
Could you speak louder? Speak one by one. Farhat, who is
Is it historical or fantasy film?
Historical.
Is it Ana Parajol?
Yes.
of course. You are right. Sit down. Thank you. The last film. Vivatka. The last film is this one.
Who are the main characters?
Spider-Man, Captain America, Thomas, Hulk.
Is it Kazakh film? No, it isn't. Okay.
What about this film?
About the fighting. About adventures.
Magic.
Why did they fight? For what did they fight? For?
Four main characters protect the planet.
Protecting the planet. Okay. Bibarus, do you know this?
Is it adventure?
Adventures, yes.
Yeah, it's Avengers. Okay, sit down. It was a little bit difficult film, yeah? Why? Because it's a foreign film. So, Today we are going to talk about film genres around the world. So, before starting our lesson, let me introduce you with lesson objectives. Okay? Today, by the end of the lesson, we are going to be able to identify some specific information and key ideas in the text. Also, use some target language to express views and comment on the views of others. Okay? With a little support. Okay, this one, the assessment sheet and descriptors you have on your desk. Now, the first task for today is pair work. Now, now we are going to make a message, sing, pair, and share. For that, I have sheets of paper. I'll give it word in pairs and find out what is the genre here is described. Okay? Word in pairs, please. Take one and work in pairs. Work in pairs. Work in pairs. You work in three. Are you ready? Yeah? Okay. Sultan, are you ready? Let's start.
Humor is large, funny situation, happy ending.
Humor, it makes us laugh. Funny situations. What's that?
Comedy.
It's comedy. Good job. Sit down. Next. Camila.
A film about that intended to make you laugh.
It's romantic.
It's romantic. Romance, maybe. Okay, sit down. Vivadas.
The characters and the skins are drawn for small children's stories.
It's animation. Good job. Speak louder, Rasaya. Next, Fahad.
It's film, song, dancing, and music. Music film.
Musical. Okay, good job. Next, Kunai.
Science-based that futuristic elements, advanced technology set in the future or space.
It's fantasy.
It is fantasy. Good job. Science. Okay, science. The next one.
Excitement, tension, fictional story, criminal activities, spying.
It is
Adventure.
It's adventure. Good job. Madina and Ahmara.
It's screaming, frightening, storyline, tension. It's horror.
It's horror. Good job. Nana and Yirmuhammed.
Science story, exotic places, travels, exploitations.
Could you speak louder? Please, louder.
It is horror.
It's horror. Speak louder. Okay, it's horror. Now, let's check your answers, okay? You may check your answers. Here are the answers of your sentences. You may check it. Check, please. Check your answers. And open your books, page 75. Open your copybooks on page 75. You can find these words, these definitions and types of genres, okay? Open your book and write down today's date, please. What's the date today, Nara? What's the date?
The 1st of March.
Good job. The 1st of March. Write down. Exercise 1. Page 75. Write down. Have you done?
Yes.
Yes.
All of you? Okay. If you have done, the next task for you is reading. Now, we are going to read the text from the Benevolent. We are going to read this text. At first, as usual, we are going to read for the gist. After that, I'll ask some questions about the text, okay? For that, you have 2 minutes. Please, read quickly. Look through the text. You can find this text from your books also. Read quickly. if you have read, what is the text about?
About the film Hobbit.
About the film Hobbit, yes, of course. Now, did the author like this film?
Yeah, she is like this film.
Like it very much, yeah? Okay, and then, who are the main characters of this film?
Main character, Bilbo Baggins.
Yes, of course. Okay, now, is it, what's the genre of this film? Adventure, good job. Now, we are going to read second time. In this time, we are going to read for details. Read for details and pay attention to these words in bold because we are going to match them with the synonyms, okay? Pay attention to these phrases. Find out the meaning of these phrases. Please look through. You have also 2 minutes. Have you read?
Yes.
Okay. Let's match the words then. Okay. Who wants to match these words? Sultanka. Ahmara, be ready.
I said,
Is
takes place in.
takes place in. Where is it? Okay, is that which takes place in. Okay, next. We'll check in the end, okay? Come. Just come. Next.
It is it all.
Is based on
Taste and it is source.
text as its source. Okay. Next. Translate. Please speak louder, girls and boys. Louder. Main characters. The most important roles. Good job. Main characters. Where is it? Main characters. Next. Who else wants? Naraka.
I would recommend a question that is good.
Okay. Thank you. I would recommend. Where is it? I advise you. Okay. The next. Who wants to go? Camila, come.
The most interesting aspect of the film, the most appealing part of the movie.
The most worthy, appealing part. Okay, good. Next. Who wants to come? Come, Renee. And the last one, be ready, somebody.
All the some parts of the film is even though sections of the movie.
Okay, and the last one, somebody.
The special effects.
Special
Indicates
effects.
the unusual indicates or sounds.
Unusual images or sounds. Okay. Okay, thank you. Now let's check your answers. Sorry. Okay, all right. Okay. Now, please assess yourselves on your assessment sheet. Assess yourselves on your assessment sheet. For this task, assess yourselves by coloring, by drawing the stars. Okay. If you have done, the next task for you is working in groups. Have you done? Have you assessed yourselves? Yeah?
Yes.
If you have assessed it, now look at the whiteboard. The next task is making a poster and write a description of your favorite film. Discuss in groups and choose one film, okay? Only one film. And recommend it to others, to us. Also present it to others, okay? Without naming the film. Now, sorry, this is for you and this one is for you. Okay. Now, make like that. For preparation, you have 7 minutes, okay? 7 minutes for preparation and 3 minutes for presenting it. Have you done?
Yes.
Yes.
Are you ready to present it?
Yes.
Yes, okay. Who wants to be the first? From which group to start? From you? Okay, come. Come. Let's listen to Camila.
Or in fact, the film of this Maleficent. Maleficent is a young princess who lives in all forced and fabulous creatures.
She has always led us a good like mighty God and peace in her magical kingdom.
Magical.
But after people invade her world, everything changed.
Humanity brought destruction and the shows to her country, and the young sorceress was forced to defend her subject and resort to black magic, putting a curse on the little daughter of the king.
However, watching the career grow, Maleficent comes to the conclusion that she made the world decision since it is Aurora who is able to praise the life in the magic kingdom.
Look how their poster is beautiful, yeah? Thank you, sit down. Thanks for the poster, but please don't read the next time, okay? Next, who wants to come? Come, Madina Surush, come. Madina, Farhad, and Farhad, come. What's your film?
Titanic. The last movie I saw was Titanic. James Cameron's romantic adventure of this film is based on true story. It was also made in the North Atlantic.
The Titanic is a 1997 American disaster film, directed by James Cameron, depicting the sinking of legendary Titanic.
Legendary Titanic, okay.
Two lovers Rose and Jack sailed on the liner called Titanic and went on the way. There was a lot of love, but they didn't know what they were waiting after the some people sometimes, and the ship will face iceberg and take many innocent lives. But there are some people will survive. The Rosa, there's only one, only after survive.
Who survived after the disaster, yeah? Okay, good job. Next.
Lovers Jack and Rosa find each other on the first and the last travel of the Titanic.
There are a lot of interesting colors in this movie, so I recommend watching it.
Okay, is that all? Okay, thank you for the story. Okay, this applauses for you. Thank you, sit down. Can I have? Thank you. There are two colorful posters. Okay, next, the last group, come. What's your film? Harry Potter. Harry Potter.
The last movie we saw was Harry Potter. Harry Potter is an interesting film in the fantasy genre. It consists of 8 series. It is based on the Rowling's novel.
The main characters and the Harry Potter.
The main character is
Harry Potter.
okay. Is Harry Potter.
The film is full of adventure. It's very interesting. The story of Harry Potter and his friends in the world of magic is perfect to anyone.
To anyone, yeah.
There are 8 parts of this film collection, and the most interesting and stunning Harry Potter and the Goblet of Fire.
Yes, we really like this film, and we spent most of our vacation watching this film. So if you are bored and you do not know how to spend your time, then we recommend you to watch this film, because this film very, very interesting.
Thank you. Well done. Thank you for the so colorful, so pretty pictures. Okay, I like this one, and thank you for that. Now, your assessments for each group, please. Groups assess each other's by clapping. Okay, your assessments for the first group. It was good, thank you. And for the second group, your assessment. It was a little bit better, yeah. Now the last group. Thank you. It also was very good. Thank you. Okay, then now the last task for today, for consolidation today's lesson. I have tasks like this. And please take out your mobile phones and scan this QR code. Play the game. Those who don't have mobile phones, you may come and play with my computer. Someone, do you have? Come and play with my computer, please. Start. You may start your games. It's an individual work, that's why work on your own, don't ask others. You might take a sip. Have you done your results? Bibaras, Madina, Kamila, Ahmaral. Well done. Okay, now that's all for today. Please, on your descriptor, on your assessment sheet, assess or give your marks for today's lesson. Okay? Here you can see the reflection. On the reflection, put your marks for today's lesson. How will you assess today's lesson? Give today's lesson's rating as film's rating. It's interesting for me to know how do you assess the lesson. Now, please share with us with your assessment.
I put 9 stars because it's interesting for me and I enjoyed this lesson.
Okay, thank you. Thank you very much. Now, others who wants to tell Farhad?
I put 8 stars.
For today's lesson, okay. Not bad. Why? Was it?
Because
do you like the lesson? Yeah. It was good, yeah? Okay. Well, it was good. Thank you. Sit down. Now my assessments for today's lesson. I want to put 9 for Farhad and Kunay, also Nara, Madina, and 8 for Ahmaral, Samgar, and Bibaras, and 7 for Jansaya, also Sultan. Thank you for the lesson. You may see your marks from the Kundili Kizet, okay? So your homework is exercise 3 on page 76. Write down. page 76. And thank you for the lesson. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Have a nice